Watch the rail for a second.
Oh! Good Lord! Hold on!
I saw that, Lawrence. Be careful. I'm watching you.
Aboard the Northwestern.
Our season, pretty eventful. Crab pump broke down, so we were pretty worried about our crab there. This weather's just getting worse. But we've got an offload coming up. The gear we have out here is to the east, so we'll see. We took a gamble on this. Hopefully it pays off. Hang on. What's the real? Oh, come on. Easy on the little girl. Okay, first spot coming up.
There it is! Come on, baby, come to Papa. Come on, crab! Come on, crab! Here we go! Hoping for something good, man.
Come on. That looks good. There's a nice little ball of crab in there.
Howard!
See what they get on the count here.
Oh, yeah! That's a lot of crab! Oh, big! 300.
Oh, baby, watch out. We'll see how the next one does. Okay. Here we go. I got nothing. I got no engine here.
Oh, no!
Go, 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 go!
Get it!
Oh, boy. Oh, watch the rail. Ah! Drifting around like this is not the best thing. Nothing we can do. I mean, I got nothing, you know.
We just lost fuel pressure. It's got to be the filters on the main. We got to get the main going, like right now.
The waves that are coming, it just shakes the whole boat. It's like thunder.
Ah!
Let's find out what the hell's going on here. What's he think?
The fuel is not getting pressure, so he's going to try and change out the filters.
Yeah. All right. So. Oh, man. Oh. Ah. Are we good? Can I go now, please?
Want me to check?
Yeah. Yeah, rolling around like a. Ah. Hate that.
Just the main engine fuel filters. This keeps all the water, all the debris, bad fuel out from going to the main. what keeps your fuel pressure up.
Come on, guys.
Kind of doing a quick switch here. Usually you drain out the fuel into the tank, but we don't have time for that right now. You got to get the main going.
I just hate sitting around being helpless. Ah, come on.
All right, fire it up.
There it is. You got her going. What the hell was it?
It must be bad fuel.
All right, we'll keep an eye on it.
Yeah.
Okay, thank you.
Yep.
All right, guys. Coming up? Well, let's go get him.
Roger.
Yeah, it's nice to have some power back, man. It's nice when you're a control freak. Well, hopefully that holds. I mean, if it doesn't, we're walking on thin ice here. I mean, we need to keep going. Just cross our fingers and finish up this trip.
Moment of truth.
We got to get in for that offload. There we go. What does that look like?
350. 350.
Yeah, that's what we're looking for.
Doesn't take long to stuff a tank with those crabs. Prepare!